Mitch the RV guy here, bringing you another fantastic value and brand new travel trailer. This beauty's a 2014 Panther, the 20XL, just the perfect size for your driveway and for your family's camping habits, especially if you like going to some of those more intimate parks. Why don't we start out with the inside? Inside, it's far more spacious than you would imagine for a 20-footer. Just take a look at the U-shaped dinette. You can fit quite a few people around there, or remove the table and have a nice large couch seating area. In addition to that, they give you this beautiful glass engraved wood storage on each side. I love that slide out. The bed, of course, is a walk around, which is very, very nice. Most of the 20-footers are going to give you a corner bed. If you're like me, you don't want somebody rolling over you if they have to go to the bathroom at nighttime. No problem here. You have the nightstands with drawers on both sides, which is great. It's a place to put your cell phone. It's a place to put your keys. You mount a television there if you like, and feel free and watch the TV. You got a full-size Dometic refrigerator, freezer, an oven, in addition to a microwave, instead of just giving you a microwave like a lot of them. And take a look at all the additional storage space that they actually give you, and a counter space as well, something you normally don't get on a 20-footer. Guys, Mitch the RV guy here. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. If you like what you see, if you're wanting good service and a great deal, give me a call or text me, 916-459-8384. Or, of course, if you stop by the lot, just ask for Mitch the RV guy. I will personally give you service with a smile. I do everything that I can to make sure that my customers are treated with respect and that their time is respected, which is why I do these videos for you, so that when you're coming out to see me, you already know what you're going to be getting. Guys, this is an incredibly light vehicle as well. You can tow it with just about anything that is going to have a hitch on the back of it, which makes it so that when you're going down the road, it's not guzzling down that gas that a lot of them are going to as well. Outside speakers, put the awning out, enjoy the sun from the shade, as I like to say. Enjoying the sun from the sun is overrated, as many a person with a sunburn will attest. You don't have that problem here. You turn the music on outside, relax in the shade, and enjoy the outdoors. Outside shower, go ahead and get your feet clean before you go inside. A nice large slide out does look very, very nice. In addition to the fact that, notice that this is not solid white slide walls. Most of them that are nice and colored like this are going to have white sidewalls still, because the company's cheaping out. Pacific Coachworks does not do that. In addition to that, look at that beautiful black diamond plating there in the front that actually goes with the overall decor quite well. Yo guys, if you like what you see, give me a call or text me, 916-459-8384, and you can experience great service as well. Thanks guys, and I hope to hear from you real soon.